What's going on, guys? Are you looking to carry a spare tire on your Honda Talon 1000X4? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with our heavy-duty spare tire carrier, and today we're going to show you how to get one installed, so let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove all your hardware from your clamps on your spare tire carrier. Let's come through and just remove each one of these Allen headed. And you'll do this for both sides of the spare tire carrier. And you're going to grab your spare tire carrier and get it laid into place on the cage. Slide it all the way up and bring it back down. So you have it nice and even. And you're just going to take your clamp and your hardware, get it reinstalled. I like to get them started all evenly. And then we'll just go through and we'll fully tighten them. So we got this side started. Now we'll go to the opposite side. Then we'll just get a ratchet and fully tighten them in an X pattern. So now this is going to fit your factory Honda Talon bolt pattern here, so you can throw one of your spare tires up there, you're good to go if you were to have a flat on the trail or whatever it may be. Obviously it's a super easy install. It comes with the factory style lug nuts right here mounted up. All you do is throw your tire on there, bolt it down, and you're good to go. And there you have it. That's all there is to it to install SuperATV Spare Tire Carrier on this Honda Talon 1000X4. For more information on this spare tire carrier or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.